Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video we are going to solve today's POTD, which is count elements with maximum frequency. So getting into the question, we have an array which is of positive numbers, and we should return the total frequencies of the elements in the num such that elements all have maximum frequency. So if you take this test case, you can see we have 2 repeated 2 times and 1 repeated 2 times. So the maximum frequency that we are seeing with our eyes here is 2, and it is repeated 2 times. One is by the 2 and one is by the 1. So the total sum is 4. In the same way, you can see the maximum frequency that we can attainable in this array is 1. And the constraints are also very low. Given input arrays having only size of 100, we can try, which is easy. We can use the simple brute force approach. In my code, what I have did, I'm going to explain to you. That is, first, we're going to check the base condition. If the length of the array is 1, just return the 1, or else we have taken two hash maps. Two hash maps. One is to have frequent number to the frequency, how many times a number repeated and how many times a frequency is repeated. So to update, while we are doing the iteration, to update and find out the maximum frequency, we are going to use the variable max. Okay, now we are iterating over the given array. Then we will check if the particular number is already present in the number to frequency. If it is doesn't present, we go to the else part, and then we'll add that number as a starting point and the number we have seen just now. So the count will be the 1, and the frequency also we are going to add the frequency of 1, which is either defaultly 0 or 1. We will get the value of 1 which is added. Okay, and after doing this operation, we are trying to check if max is less than 1. We'll add it 1 because the maximum frequency now is this 1. Okay, now if it is already present in the number to frequency hash table, what we are going to do? We are going to get the old old frequency, right? Old frequency of nums of I. We're going to get that, and now we have to increment it. See, we have did the incrementation here. Now the frequency to the frequency hash map, we have to reduce the count of old frequency. So for that purpose, we are we are reducing by 1, because this frequency, for suppose, previously we have 4 count is 2. The frequency 4 repeated 2 times. Okay, now what happened is that 4 frequency is reduced by 1. Now 4 is repeated only one time because the frequency of the particular element increased. Do you understand what I'm saying? Frequency to frequency. The old will be decreased by the 1 in frequency to frequency, and will increment the element count. In the same way, we will increment the new frequency count and we'll update the max with it. After doing full iterations, we will be having the maximum frequency we have seen while doing these operations, and we'll bring out the how many times it is repeated, and that's it. We will get the answer. Yeah, the time complexity for this question is order of n. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, thank you for giving this. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share and subscribe for the more programming and coding problems. Thank you.